Today we are going to be learning how to make glittery almond coconut slime. So here are the ingredients that you'll be needing. You're going to need a bowl to mix. You're going to need some glue. You can use any type of glue as long as it's liquid. Some foam soap. You can get this for $1 at Dollar Tree. Some pure silk shaving cream. Oh no, you don't need it to be pure silk, but you can get this for $1 at Dollar Tree too. Some borax.
Oh, hey, almost this.
Some glitter. A cup of hot water. Cornstarch. Half a cup. Some body lotion. You can get this for $1, also at Dollar Tree, to save money. And 1 teaspoon.
Save money.
So, we're going to begin with our bowl. And you're going to get some glue and fill it up to a half. And then put it in the bowl. Put that to the side. Then you're going to do the same amount with shaving cream. Give it a good shake. And then fill it up. And this is going to be like fluffy, so I would recommend putting like a little bit, a lot, to make it fluffy. But don't put too much because then you're going to get a lot of ingredients. So put that to the side. Then with the foam soap, you're going to fill it up the same. Just pump, or it's not going to work. Fill it up to the same. Then you're going to put that in. And then mix. You'll know when it's ready when it's all looking like super creamy, like some whipped cream. Might be a good idea to use it for April Fool's, like whipped cream. April Fool's prank. So after you mixed it, you're going to get some body lotion. And you're going to put like a couple pumps. Just to make it stretchy. And then a little over a tablespoon of cornstarch. Basically, its purpose is to give it its form. So after that, put it inside, and then you're going to start mixing. I recommend not to get it out of the bowl because then it's kind of hard to clean up. Make sure that it's going to be very, very mixed well. And once that is mixed well, you're going to put it to the side. And bring over your 1 cup of water, your borax, and your 1 teaspoon. So you're going to get 1 teaspoon of borax. So the borax powder. You're going to get some out. Make it like exactly 1 teaspoon. Because if you put too little or too much, it's not going to work. Mix it. So while once that's mixed well, you'll put it all together. And then you're gonna get your 1 teaspoons, and teaspoon by teaspoon, do it slowly. Okay, and don't pick too much, because then it's not gonna get its form, and it's gonna be too hard. Then you have to make it all over again. Just teaspoon by teaspoon, mix it. And you can start seeing that it's getting its slimy form. So just keep putting it until you feel like you get enough. And if you don't put it enough, it's gonna be too sticky and it's not gonna work. And nobody wants really sticky slime that does not work. So yeah, you can poke it to feel it, how it feels, and if it feels too sticky, put some on. Put some in between like holes everywhere. You can start grabbing it now. If it still feels too sticky, keep putting some. And sometimes what I like to do is put my hand in the water and then just do that. So then, once you feel like it's good, put your spoon to the side. You're gonna start getting as much as you can and start just squishing it as much as you can. And then you're gonna start putting your stuff to the side. Leave it on a good surface, like a table. I recommend someplace dry. And you're gonna get your glitter. Okay. And you're gonna put some on. And you're just gonna rub it around. And do that. Put as much as you like to make it as glittery as you like. Just mix it around, and you can kind of see it's getting its like coconut soap, almond soap that you see like those soaps at Target. That's why I call it coconut almond slime. So you can see this, like, you know, all that stuff, all the glitter. And then just put some, get some more, and spread it around, stretch it. And just into that. See, you can see the glitter. Once you feel like you have enough glitter, you put the glitter to the side, and then start, see, and if it still feels like too hard and not stretchy enough, go ahead and go get your body lotion. Pump some out. Don't pump too much, like I just did. Just mix it around and then stretch it, and that will help it make it stretchier and more fun. But it's optional, you don't have to put it. Just mix it around, and eventually it'll start sinking in. As you can see. So, there you have it. You just learned how to make some beautiful glittery slime. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like.